Hi kids, today we're going to learn how to draw a really cute cat, and we're going to do it by using simple shapes. All you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pencil, and if you choose a marker to outline your drawing with. Sound like fun? Let's get started. All right, so first I'm going to start off with a nice size circle, and I'm going to draw really light. I'm not going to draw hard on my paper. Nice and light, nice size circle. And don't worry about mistakes, because when you draw light, you could erase your pencil. All right, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another kind of ovalish shape for your body. And we could go right here. It's attaching to the head. And I'm just gonna loop it around just like that. All right, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another oval right here, almost like it's in between this line of the head and this loop of the body. Then I'm going to draw another one right here. Right? After that, I'm going to take from the outside of this circle and I'm going to make a nice little line like this, looping down. Then I'm going to take another loop from the middle of this paw right here. And we're going to come up like that. That looks kind of nice. All right. Then what I'm going to do is, again, another loop, another oval right at the end of my loop, which is my body. And I'm going to do another one right here. All right. Now I'm going, you know how I did this loop over here? I'm going to do it the opposite direction right here, just like that. And then I'm going to give it another loop, like in this way, but in this direction, right here. Then what I'm going to do is erase this line, because you don't want the line to go through the cat's paw like that. And I'm also going to erase this line in between. Next, what I'm going to do is add another loop right here. It's almost like this foot is getting connected to the body, right like that. Now, I'm going to draw the ears. And ears on a cat are like triangles. So just kind of like this, right? So I'm going to draw a triangle right here. It's connecting to the head. I'm going to do another one. Now, if I want, I could do it right here, but I'm going to do it right in, almost like it's a little bit further from the line here. And I'm going to go up, and I'm going to go down like that. I'm not going to connect the triangle, though. We're going to do something like that later on. Then I'm going to erase the inside of that ear. And maybe I'll add another line here to loop down. And I'll erase that line. That's nice. All right. Next is the eyes. Now, you can make your eyes as big as you want or as small as you want. But I'm going to do mine just simple circles. Right here. One. And I'm going to put another one right here. That's good. Next is the nose. And the nose is like another triangle, but it's upside down. So I'm going to put mine right between the eyes, but a little bit lower, right like that. Cats have nice little small noses. Right? Then I'm going to make the mouth. And the mouth is all it's going to be is two loops going this way and this way. One here and one here. Now remember to take your time. You don't want to rush your drawings. You know what? I'm going to put a little bit of a crease like that, like he's smiling. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is my cat's going to be laying on his back, and he's going to be playing with a ball of yarn. So I'm going to put the ball of yarn right between its paws like this. Nice and gentle here. And remember, it's okay if you make mistakes. You could always erase them later on. I'm going to have this kind of like like it's the string kind of coming up. And all I did was a nice squiggly line like that. Then maybe I'll add some more details to my ball of yarn if you want, by adding just a little bit of stripes going around. I'm gonna make nice little paws by just doing little curves like this. There we go. And since his feet are kind of like sticking up, I'm going to do the bottom parts of his feet, so the pads of the paws of the cat. And they could be really simple if you want. They could just be circles, or if you want, you can make little hearts. You know, I'm gonna make little hearts like this. One right there, and one right there. But again, you could just do circles. So I'll show you over here. So he has on its little toes, we'll make little circles. And we'll just put 3. All right, next we're going to do the tail. And now you can put the tail any way you want, but I'm gonna put my tail right around here on a nice little swirly line like that. And come out in there. After I'm done with the tail, I'm going to add another line back here that I saw that I missed for the ear, just like that. Right. So if I want, I could be done, but I want to make my cat a little bit more different than this. I'm going to start adding some fluffy hair to it. So I'm going to add just a little bit of curves right here, like it's coming off of its face. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase on the bottom line of the circle that connects to my little spiky hair lines that come out, just like that. And I'll do the same over here. Let me just leave a little thing like that. I'm also going to do some for the top over here too. That's good. You know what? I'm also going to add some stripes. I think that'll be cool. Just add some stripes right like that. Top of its head. Maybe I'll do some on the tail over here. So I'm just gonna. You know what? I'm gonna put some on his back like that, just like this. And I want to come on over here too, so look like there's stripes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pen and I'm just going to go over the lines that I already have down here. I'm just gonna also erase this here. We don't need that anymore. Right? And when you're inking, it's good to go nice and slow, right? And you're going to be inking towards you like this, not pushing out towards you like this. So come here, head. And don't be afraid to move the paper around to get a nice angle on it. And again, take your time, be nice and careful. And if you do make a mistake, it's okay. Remember, there's no such thing as mistakes. Just go with it. Remember how we said we're going to do something over here? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make some little hairy lines like that to connect. And I'll do the same thing over here too. Just a few. Do some more hairy lines like that. And again, really take your time doing it. The more time you take, the better it's going to turn out. I promise you. And don't worry if you don't go over the line exactly the way it is. Whenever you're inking, just go with the ink. I'm not gonna go back and go over that like I did over there. I'm just gonna let it sit and let it be just like that. You know, I'll go this way too. And it's also okay to pick up your line if you can't make a complete circle and just pick it up right where you left off. Okay, almost done. I'm going to do the tail. Just like that. All right, so when I'm all done inking, I can now erase the pencil lines. So all you see is my black ink lines. Just like that. Get all my erasing shavings off of it. Now, if you want to clean up any other lines with your ink pen, you could do so. But I like it like this. Oh, you know what I'm gonna add? Whiskers. So be nice and careful when you're adding whiskers, and just add 1, 2, 3 on each side. there. And there you have it. A nice little kitty playing with his yarn. Now, if you want, you could color him in, or you could just leave him like that. And remember, you could color him in with crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you choose. Hope you had fun. I'm Paul Sheravino from the Art Center. Be safe, and I'll see you soon.